If you're living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or just can't figure out where your money goes each month, you're not alone. In fact, 78% of Americans struggle with basic financial management. Hey everyone, I'm Alex Sterling, and welcome back to Money Street 101, where we make finance simple for everyday people. 5 years ago, I was making $45,000 a year and had less than $200 in my bank account. I was that person wondering where all my money went every month. But I discovered a simple system that completely changed my financial life, and now I help thousands of people take control of their money. Here's the truth. Managing your finances isn't rocket science. It's actually a simple system that anyone can master. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that transformed my finances and will completely change how you handle money too. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. You earn $4,000 a month, but somehow you're broke by the 20th. Sound familiar? Here's what reactive money management looks like. You spend first, worry later. You pay bills as they come in. You save whatever's left over, which is usually nothing. You make financial decisions based on emotions, not facts. But successful people? They flip this entire process. They manage money proactively. They tell their money where to go before they spend it. They pay themselves first. They make decisions based on their actual financial data, not their feelings. And that's exactly what we're going to teach you today. Here's the 5-step system that will change everything for you. Step 1. Track your money. Know exactly where every dollar goes. Step 2. Create your foundation budget. The 50-30-20 rule that actually works. Step 3. Automate everything. Make good financial decisions effortless. Step 4. Build your emergency safety net. Protect yourself from life surprises. Step 5. Plan for growth. Start building wealth for your future. These aren't just random tips. This is a proven system that works whether you make $30,000 or $300,000 a year. And the best part? Once you set it up, it runs itself. Step 1 is tracking your money, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. Forget complicated spreadsheets. Use the simple method. For the next 30 days, write down every single expense. Coffee, gas, groceries, subscriptions, everything. Use your phone's Notes app or download a free app like Mint or YNAB. The key is to capture everything in real time, not try to remember at the end of the day. After 30 days, you'll be shocked at what you discover. Here's what most people find. $200 a month on food delivery they forgot about. $47 on subscriptions they don't use. $150 on impulse purchases at Target. That's nearly $400 a month. Almost $5,000 a year of money that just disappeared. But here's the magic. Just by tracking, you'll automatically start spending less. It's called the tracking effect, and studies show people reduce spending by 15 to 20% just by paying attention. Step 2 is creating your foundation budget using the 50-30-20 rule. This is the simplest budgeting method that actually works. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs like rent, utilities, groceries, and minimum debt payments. 30% goes to wants like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping. 20% goes to savings and extra debt payments. Let's say you bring home $4,000 a month after taxes. $2,000 goes to needs, $1,200 to wants, and $800 to savings. Simple, right? But here's the secret most people miss. You pay yourself first. That $800 for savings comes out before you spend a dime on anything else. If your numbers don't fit this formula, you have two choices. Increase your income or decrease your expenses. But at least now you know exactly what needs to change, instead of guessing. Step 3 is automation. Making good financial decisions effortless. This is where the magic happens. Set up automatic transfers for everything. Savings, bills, investments. The moment your paycheck hits your account, money automatically flows where it needs to go. Here's exactly what to automate. First, an automatic transfer to savings. That 20% we talked about. Second, all your fixed bills like rent, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Third, automatic investments. Even if it's just $25 a week to start. Use your bank's bill pay service or apps like Mint for automation. The goal is to remove human error and emotional spending decisions. When everything is automated, you can't accidentally spend your rent money on Amazon impulse purchases. I've been using this system for years, and I literally spend 10 minutes a month managing my finances. Everything else runs itself. That's the power of automation. Step 4 is building your emergency fund, your financial safety net. Start with a goal of $1,000 for small emergencies, then work toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. This isn't just about the money, it's about peace of mind. Here's how to build it fast. First, gather all your loose change and deposit it. Second, sell stuff you don't need. Old electronics, clothes, and furniture. Third, use any windfalls, tax refunds, bonuses, and cash gifts. Go straight to the emergency fund. Fourth, save every $5 bill you get for 6 months. You'll be amazed how much this adds up. Keep this money separate from your checking account. Use a high-yield savings account. You can earn 4 to 5% right now, instead of the 0.01% most banks pay. Online banks like Ally, Marcus, or Discover offer the best rates. Remember, this money is only for real emergencies, like a job loss, medical bills, or major car repairs. A vacation or new iPhone doesn't count. Step 5 is planning for growth. This is where you start building real wealth. Once you have your emergency fund, it's time to make your money work for you. The key is starting simple and being consistent. Open a Roth IRA and invest in low-cost index funds. Start with just $100 a month, if that's all you can afford. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% returns over the long term. That means $100 a month for 30 years becomes over $200,000. That's the power of compound interest. Use apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. They offer commission-free investing and low expense ratios. Set up automatic investing so you don't have to think about it. Invest the same amount every month, regardless of what the market is doing. The biggest mistake people make? Waiting until they have more money to start investing. Time is your biggest asset. Starting with $25 a month at 25 years old beats starting with $500 a month at 35. Start now, start small, but start. Let's put this all together. You now have a complete financial management system. Track your spending for 30 days to see where your money goes. Create a 50-30-20 budget to control your cash flow. Automate everything to remove human error. Build your emergency fund for peace of mind. Start investing for long-term wealth building. This isn't overwhelming when you take it step by step. Focus on one step at a time. Master tracking for a month. Then add the budget. Once that's working, set up automation. Then build your emergency fund. Finally, start investing. The person who follows this system will be in a completely different financial position 1 year from now. You'll have confidence, control, and a clear path to wealth. Most importantly, you'll never again wonder where your money went. If this video helped you understand how to manage your finances, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Street 101 for more practical money advice. What's your biggest financial challenge right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and often turn your questions into future videos. Remember, financial success isn't about making more money, it's about managing the money you have. Start today, start small, but start. I'll see you in the next video.